What's up YouTube, it's your boy Kami Forex here. So it's been a while, I haven't made any video for you. So today is going to be a day in my life. So as you can see, I'm just come back from the gym. Yeah, I have some pot belly. I shouldn't say it's too much money because I don't yet have any money yet, but I can just say it's overeating. Yeah. So guys, I haven't been making new videos since the month of April began, and I really apologize for that. But from now on, I'm going to try to keep up. So I'm going to work on what has been happening in my life for all this, why, what happened, and so on. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, turn on the bell notification icon so that each time I drop awesome videos like this, you are going to be notified. So let me walk you guys through my trade history. All right, let me put it here. You know, some people are accusing me of trading a demo account, not withdrawing. So let me refresh this. This is for last month. This week I've been on, let me take last week. Last week I made profit and I blew the money back. As you can see in this particular account, I had losses back to back. As you can see, I trade only one payo USD. And let me go to last month. I've not traded today. So last month you can see I made a total profit of 7,800. I've withdrawn total of 5,600 in this account. So you can see this was the trade that I made $6,000 from. As you can see, it was on the news and I withdrew. Then I withdrew 4,474. Then the next trade I took, I got a loss. Then my next trade was $1,900 profit that I made, and I withdrew 1,222. As you can see the dates there. Then fast forward, I took two trades. Now these two trades that gave me this profit here, you can see that is it. So this is the trade here. Okay, let me remove this. Let me show you my trades. So this is the trade here. It gave me $1,400. That is it there. And then that was on the Monday last. This was on the Monday last week. This was my second trade. I analyzed this trade, but I missed the entry. This was on a Tuesday. This was on a Wednesday. I didn't take them. This was on a Thursday. All right, this was on a Thursday. Let me check here if I will see it and put it so that you can be seeing it. This was on a Thursday. These are my trades, so you should see how I'm trading. On a Thursday, yes, after this one, I had this first trade on Monday. Then my second trade was on the Thursday, and I made $507 on this particular trade. Then from there is like I just entered my losing strip. Look at loss back to back, back to back, back to back. I was losing, so let me show you the losing trade. Now this was the first losing trade, which was now on the Friday. This was on Friday. All right, as you can see the dates down, you can see April 19th. This is on the Friday. This market just pushed down a bit and went back, hit my stop loss. Then the next trade which I took was now on Monday, and on Monday again I still had some losses. Right, I still had some losses. This is another trade I took it from a different account. This was after a news spike, I think so. Then this is today now. This is today. Oh, this one I see TP already. So this is today's trade. As you can see, that is how I've been trading for this past few weeks or past months, as you know, in this particular account. And trading is not easy, as anybody would want you to see it. You need to practice. You also take losing trade. Nobody is perfect in the forex industry. I always say that. So if you had an account with the Forex Funder before and you haven't received your account, you can DM them on Instagram. They are going to give you access to your account. Make sure that you have the email of your account, which when you purchased it, all right, they were down for maintenance purpose, and they are now using Mass Trader to be able to trade. Mass Trader to trade, and I made a video about how to use Mass Trader. As you can see, I currently have accounts with them here. All right, it's at 100 and 128. I entered a trade on gold, and the market came back and hit me at break even. So I was at a profit of $1,000, but then somehow I break even, and then where am I? Okay, close position. This is the position. You can see it's today. Today date is what, 25th of April. So today is 25th of April. So I used one lot size. You can see the time of entry I saw $1,000 and I did not close. So I was hoping that the market will sell more. So I entered somewhere around here. The market sold, came down here, give me 1,000 something, and after that it came back. I put my break even a little bit below my entry. Boom, hit me up, and that is that. Look in the description of this video, you can get your own the Forex Trader account, and I've made a video on how to use Mass Trader. It's on this channel, so go down to the next video after this one and make sure that you watch that video. So guys, many people have been asking that I should start sharing my signals, my setups. Imagine that I had this number of losses this week, like this back to back, and you are in my signal group. Maybe you paid for that signal services. You'll be like, no, this person, maybe you use because I am you see me like a celebrity or somebody who is better than you, because I give a signal. When I give a signal, rather, you just watch in, top in a lot size, bigger lot size, because it's from Kami Forex and so on. And when it goes now against you like that, these are three different trades that have hit stop loss in a row. So there are times where you can take three trades, you win them all in a row, and at times you can take three trades, you lose them all also in a row. It happens. So if this happens now that it was your first time to join my signal group, maybe you pay or maybe you didn't pay, you'll be very pissed off because of our confidence in me, you put bigger loss sizing with the hope of making bigger profits, and you lose your account. You will forever hold me at hand, and I don't want that. Second thing is, I want people to be able to analyze the market by themselves. If you are depending on somebody for signals, you will never buy Lambo with based on that. That's just the truth. No matter how you tell yourself that no, I should just use this person's signal and make some profits first. So long as you are not focusing on making your own signals for yourself from the chart, you will never ever become a millionaire in a sustainable time frame. So have that in mind, guys. That's why I don't promote signal. Even those that are learning forex from me, I don't give them any signal. We analyze together, we judge the market together, and one person will say that okay, I am going in, I'm not going in, based on the strategy which I have taught them. But for me, I don't see like giving out signals is going to help you as a young trader or as a professional trader to succeed more. It's only going to keep you dependent and more lazy, and you will spend money, lose money before you realize 1 year, 2 years have passed. I even forgot about that. I got myself a piano as a gift. Okay, I got myself a piano. I made a video about it. It's on my TikTok. Go and search for Kami Forex on TikTok. Hey. I'm still learning how to play piano. If you have enjoyed this video so far, please subscribe and make sure you turn the bell notification icon so that when next I drop awesome videos, you are going to be notified. Remember, I'm going to be posting videos now, at least 1 or 2 videos in a week, and more of vlogging videos, after which I'll be bringing you educational content too. So see you guys in my next video. I'm still learning, guys. I believe with time, I'm going to know perfectly. Alright? This is study. This is something I always wanted to do when I was still a child, and then Nigerian films. This is something I wanted to do when I was a child, but now that I have money of my own, I think I need to perfect my piano skills as well. So go ahead and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section if there's any specific course about piano that you will recommend that I should purchase and go through. Then I'm waiting for it. Thank you for watching.